Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths, Part 66, Row. And here's another interesting video with a lovely little puzzle, a lateral thinking puzzle. I'll give it to you now and then I'll tell you what's going to happen after that. Here we go. There are a number of people sitting in a straight line, but only two of them will be named. There are two people behind May. There are two people in front of Mary. And there is one person between May and Mary. How many people are sitting in a straight line? A clue will be given on the next slide. So see if you can solve this. I'll leave this slide on for a few minutes and I will give you a clue on the next slide. So please don't go there just yet. I'd really like you to try and solve it yourself. Okay, I'll go to the next slide now to give you a clue. Here we go. Here's the first clue. The person at the front is not looking at anyone. All the other people are sitting behind the person who is at the front of the row. So I'll give you another clue on the next slide in about 1 minute's time. Okay, here's the final clue coming up on the next slide. The people are not sitting side by side. I repeat, the people are not sitting side by side. So I'll give you now the answer on the next slide in exactly 1 minute. See how you go. Okay, here's the answer. It'd be very interesting to see how you went. Okay, here we go. The answer is 3. It says there are 2 people behind May. So if that's the front of the row, there's May. There's 1, 2 people. Of course, I only named Mary, but I didn't name anyone else. So there are 2 people behind May. So there's 1, 2. The next line says there are 2 people in front of Mary. 1, 2. And the last line says there is 1 person between May and Mary, and that's the 3rd person I didn't name. So you can see altogether there are 3 people in the line. I hope you enjoyed the puzzle, and I'll be giving you quite a few more, so keep a lookout. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. And I'll turn to that next slide right now.